Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss a very interesting case study about DMart. So basically, let's start from a short introduction about DMart. DMart was founded in 2002 by Radhakishan Damani, and as of now, he owns 206 DMarts located in different locations in all over India. Do you have any idea why DMart is so popular? It's because it attracts the middle class consumer by offering them daily products in low cost. So let's talk about how Mr. R.K. Damani has become the second richest person in India. You may wonder that there must be some system through which he handles his vast business. Of course, the whole business can't be handled by a single person. There are lots of employees and these employees keep track of their products in DMart through a system called Enterprise Resource Planning. That is ERP. On an average, implementation of ERP system in any firm takes approximately 3 years. ERP implementation is just the first step, yet a never-ending journey. The system is basically a computer software in which data is fed, updated, tracked products in Mart. At every stage, from getting the products from factory to providing those products to customer, this ERP system is used. There is a vast study and branches of ERP. It is used almost in every company, stores, marts, medicals, etc. ERP makes things a lot easier. In DMart, this ERP software is used at every level, like while getting products from factory. The modules of ERP is used to make inventory of products. Also, system provides information about which product is in demand and which product is not in demand. Through this information, we can get the exact number of products to be bought. The software is called as point of sale, that is POS. This point of sale system basically comes under inventory module in ERP. As we have discussed earlier, ERP is a vast subject. These ERP modules are also very much important in running any foundation. There are various types of ERP modules as like financial module, manufacturing module, HR module, material management module, production planning module, plant maintenance module, purchasing module, marketing module, etc. So, let us understand what is inventory module. Then we will get an idea that what is point of sale. Inventory module. The inventory module is a module which allows you to store, edit and track information and products for each part and number of products in your inventory. Products information is automatically imported into sales orders, purchase order and purchase requests for quotes. The inventory module is the primary source for any product information. A point of sale is the location where customer of a business exchange money for the products or services and sold by the business. By using point of sale system, the products are bought from the vendors at a certain price and then by using the software of ERP, what range of discount will be profitable for business is decided. Then it is given to all the products. These products are then given to the customers for sale. This software is used to make bills for consumer products and also shows discounts of those products. This ERP system is capable to such an extent that while billing in point of sale software, it mentions the data about how much payment is received from the customer and how much spare change is needed in transaction on the bill. The software also gives information that which product's date of expiry is near and which product is in demand. So we come to know that this particular product need to stock up. This is how the ERP system is widely used in every sector of the business, and this is how Mr. RK Damani's business is drastically increasing day by day, which was of $5 billion in 2017 and now it has reached at $16 billion worth, and the process is never ending. This became possible with the help of ERP. We hope this video was informative to all of you. Thank you.